You see, everything starts with thought. Thoughts are the foundation of everything in your life. They are the building blocks that shape your reality, and the universe communicates with you through these thoughts and ideas. But how do you get them? How do you become aware of these divine nudges that are always available to you? The first thing to understand is that the universe is always speaking to you. It speaks to you through the still, quiet moments, through the thoughts that pop into your mind, and through the feelings that arise within you. The ideas, inspiration, and guidance you receive are not random. They are messages sent to you to help you align with the life you are meant to live. But many people miss them because they're not paying attention. To receive these thoughts and ideas from the universe, you must first quiet your mind. In the busyness of life, it can be difficult to hear anything other than your own mental chatter. The key to unlocking the messages from the universe is to stop the noise. This doesn't mean you have to meditate for hours every day, though that can certainly help. It simply means you need to create space to listen. When you take a moment to step back, to stop striving, and to just be present, the universe can begin to speak to you. You might notice a sudden insight or a flash of inspiration. You might feel an idea bubbling up inside of you, and it seems to come out of nowhere. But I assure you, these thoughts are coming from somewhere deeper, your connection to the universe. They are not random. They are divinely guided. Now, you may be wondering, how can I tell if the thought or idea is from the universe or just my own mind? This is where it gets interesting. Thoughts that come from the universe are often different from your regular thoughts. They don't feel like just ordinary ideas that you might generate from your conscious mind. These ideas have a sense of clarity and inspiration that feels almost like they are coming from somewhere outside of yourself, as if they are being delivered to you. They often feel aligned with your higher purpose or a greater vision for your life. Another way to tell if it's from the universe is by how it resonates with you. When you receive an idea or thought, notice how it feels. If it feels expansive, if it excites you, if it feels like it's pushing you to grow, it's likely a message from the universe. On the other hand, if it feels restrictive or fearful, it might be a thought from the ego trying to keep you safe in your comfort zone. The next step in receiving ideas from the universe is to trust them. When you get these thoughts or ideas, it's important not to doubt them. Too often, people dismiss these messages because they don't seem practical or they feel too good to be true. But the universe does not give you ideas that are too big or too impossible. It gives you what you need when you're ready to receive it. If an idea feels exciting and inspiring, trust it. Trust that it is exactly what you need at that moment. But how do you open yourself up to receiving more of these messages from the universe? One way is through visualization. When you close your eyes and visualize the life you want, you are sending a message to the universe about what you desire. In turn, the universe begins to send you ideas, inspiration, and solutions that align with that vision. This is a very real process. When you focus on what you want, and you align yourself with that vision, the universe responds by delivering the thoughts and ideas necessary to bring that vision into reality. Another way to receive ideas is through the practice of letting go. Often, when you try too hard to force something to happen, you block the flow of inspiration. When you let go of the need to control the outcome and simply trust the process, you open yourself to receiving guidance from the universe. It's about surrendering to the flow and being open to the unexpected. In addition to letting go, practicing gratitude is essential. When you are grateful for the small things in your life, the universe responds by bringing you more to be grateful for. And when you express gratitude for the thoughts and ideas you receive, you create an energetic loop that invites even more inspiration into your life. The universe loves gratitude. It's like a magnet that draws more abundance, more insight, and more ideas to you. You must also learn to trust your intuition. The universe communicates with you through your gut feelings, your inner knowing, that subtle voice within that tells you whether something is right or wrong. The more you listen to this inner guidance, the more you will receive. Your intuition is always connected to the universe, and when you trust it, you align yourself with the flow of life. There's one more important thing to understand. Sometimes, the universe doesn't give you the full picture all at once. Instead, it may send you small ideas, little steps, or partial information. It's up to you to take action on these ideas, even if they don't make complete sense right away. The universe guides you step by step, and you must trust that each step is leading you closer to the full realization of your desires. As you begin to receive ideas from the universe, you may find that your life starts to align in ways that you didn't expect. The thoughts and ideas that come to you will lead you to opportunities, connections, and experiences that bring you closer to your goals. And even if the path seems uncertain, know that the universe is always guiding you. If you want to attract more thoughts and ideas from the universe, focus on being present and open. The universe is always talking to you, but you must learn how to listen. Trust your feelings, trust your intuition, and trust the process. The universe is always working with you, sending you the guidance you need to move forward. Your only job is to be open to it, to trust it, and to take inspired action. One key thing that helps facilitate the flow of ideas from the universe is consistency. The more you focus on creating an open space for these thoughts to enter your mind, the more likely you are to receive them. This doesn't mean you should sit and wait for ideas to come, rather, it's about actively cultivating an environment in which the universe can speak to you. This can mean keeping a journal, taking quiet walks, or simply sitting in stillness, allowing yourself to listen and absorb the thoughts that come to you. When you receive an idea or inspiration from the universe, it's also essential to act on it, even if the action seems small. Often, the universe's guidance comes in subtle ways, and by taking small steps, you show the universe that you are ready to receive more. The universe speaks through your willingness to take action. You might not always have the full picture, but when you begin to act on the thoughts that come to you, the next step often reveals itself naturally. The act of taking action also reinforces the connection between you and the universe. As you act on the ideas that come to you, you start to create a feedback loop. The more you act, the more guidance you'll receive. The more you trust in the process, the more ideas will flow to you. This feedback loop strengthens your trust and builds a deeper relationship with the universe, making it easier for you to recognize the guidance it provides in the future. One of the most valuable tools in this process is your intuition. It acts as a guiding light that leads you to the right thoughts and ideas. The more you trust your intuition, the more you'll recognize the subtle signs and nudges from the universe. These messages aren't always loud or dramatic. Sometimes, they come as quiet thoughts or gentle feelings that guide you in the right direction. Your intuition is always aligned with the universe and helps you distinguish between thoughts that come from fear or doubt and those that come from inspiration and clarity. Now, as you move through your day, pay attention. Pay attention to the small whispers, the ideas that pop into your mind, the sudden flashes of insight. These are not random thoughts, they are your connection to the universe, guiding you, helping you, showing you the way. Listen carefully. The universe is always speaking to you. All you need to do is learn how to hear it. The thoughts and ideas from the universe are here for you, always available. They are a part of the infinite intelligence that surrounds us all. The key to receiving them is to remain open, present, and willing to listen. Trust that what you receive is exactly what you need. It is not by chance or coincidence that these thoughts enter your mind. They are the whispers of the universe, guiding you toward your highest potential. In conclusion, getting thoughts and ideas from the universe is not some far-off, mystical event. It is a natural process that is available to you right now. By quieting your mind, trusting your intuition, and remaining open to the guidance you receive, you can begin to tap into the infinite wisdom that is always available to you. The universe is speaking to you. Are you ready to listen?